Today we make skillet roasted whole chicken with carrots, potatoes, and mushroom pan dripping gravy. And it is beautiful. Stay tuned and see how you can do it too on Shay Trips.
Come on, oh baby, don't you wanna go? Come on.
Hello, welcome to the kitchen of Shay Trips. I am the owner and proprietor, Chef Trips. For today's video recipe, we are making the skillet roasted whole chicken with carrots, potatoes, and mushroom pan dripping gravy. And a shout out to everyone who has contacted via the social medias with the comments on the YouTube, the Facebook, the Instagram of Sports Chicago Style, and the official website of sportschicagostyle.com and our page, Shay Trips. And a shout out to the Planks who enjoyed last week's recipe of the cinnamon raisin French toast egg and cheese Sammys with caramelized bacon. And he said they turned out beautifully. Preheat the oven to 425 degrees. Remove the chicken and its giblets from the packaging. Thoroughly wash it and pat it dry with paper towels and let it rest at room temperature while you gather the rest of your ingredients. Rub olive oil all over the bird, then generously season all sides of the bird with your seasonings of choice. In the cavity, stuff several of the quartered onions, garlic, and some of the giblets. Place the chicken in the center of the skillet with the breast side up. Gently lift around the chicken, allowing the carrots and potatoes and the remaining onions, garlic, and giblets to cascade underneath, leaving the chicken elevated from sitting directly onto the bottom of the skillet. Place the chicken in the oven with the thickest part facing the back of the oven. Roast the chicken at 425 degrees Fahrenheit for 1 hour and 15 minutes, up to 1 hour and 35 minutes, or until the thickest part of the breast meat reaches 165 degrees Fahrenheit at the minimum. Once your chicken has reached its temperature, carefully transfer the carrots and potatoes into a bowl while letting the chicken rest for about 10 to 15 minutes before carving. While the chicken rests, we will prepare the mushroom pan dripping gravy. In a small bowl, mix your cornstarch or flour with a small amount of liquid, whether it be chicken stock or water, until a lump-free slurry forms. Set aside. Using a wooden spoon or a spatula, add a can of condensed mushroom soup, and also fresh mushrooms if you are using them, to the drippings in the skillet and let simmer, while gently scraping the bottom and the sides of the skillet. Add about 1/2 of a can of water to the skillet and return to simmer before slowly adding the cornstarch slurry, adding a little at a time to your desired gravy thickness. Note, the cornstarch will continue to thicken as it cooks. If it thickens too much, you can add a little more water to thin it out. Once your gravy is done, serve immediately over the roasted chicken. And it is beautiful. Enjoy! Thank you for watching, and please, as always, make any comments on our social media platforms in the comment sections. and you will be able to find all the ingredients and the recipes on the Shade Trips page of our website of sportschicagostyle.com. Please follow us on all of our social media platforms, Sports Chicago Style, on the Instagram, the YouTube channel, the Facebook page, and the Twitter. And then we have our website, sportschicagostyle.com, and go to the Shade Trips page, and you will see all the ingredients and all of the instructions on how to prepare all of the foods that we have in our kitchen. Thank you for watching, and we look forward to seeing you again for our next video recipe. And until then, see ya!